Good morning, second grade. Miss Fogelman here today for your math lesson. So let's get started. All right, so today we are reviewing place value. Our learning target is that the student will review how to use the place value picture to find the answer. Before we begin, I did want to show you this video just to remind you what place value is.
FlowCAD. You know, numbers change when you move them around. Listen, you could have a 1 in the hundreds place, and a 1 in the tens place, and a 1 in the ones place. That's 111. You could have a 3 in the hundreds place, and a 2 in the tens place, and a 1 in the ones place. That's 321. Yeah. You could have a 5 in the hundreds place, and a 9 in the tens place, and a 3 in the ones place. That's 593. You could have a 6 in the hundreds place, and a 6 in the tens place, and an 8 in the ones place. That's 668. Yeah, if you're listening, you know the game. Not all numbers are the same. Values change in a place, okay? We move a number, switch a number, drop a number, flip a number. If you're listening, you know the game. Not all numbers are the same. Values change in a place, okay? We move a number, switch a number, drop a number, flip a number. You could have a 9 in the hundreds place, and a 4 in the tens place, and a 2 in the ones place. That's 942. You could have a 3 in the hundreds place, and a 0 in the tens place, and a 9 in the ones place. That's 309. You could have a 1 in the hundreds place, and a 5 in the tens place, and a 5 in the ones place. That's 155. Yeah. You could have an F to the L to the O, and a C and an A and a B, and a U and an L and an A, all Y vocabulary. Yeah, if you're listening, you know the game. Not all numbers are the same. Values change in a place, okay? We move a number, switch a number, drop a number, flip a number. If you're listening, you know the game. Not all numbers are the same. Values change in a place, okay? We move a number, switch a number, drop a number, flip a number. Yeah, if you're listening, you know the game. Not all numbers are the same. Values change in a place, okay? We move a number, switch a number, drop a number, flip a number. If you're listening, you know the game. Not all numbers
Okay,
are
so
the
that's
same.
just kind of to get us back into the frame mind of place value. So let me go back to my screen. All right, so today's problem is at McDonald's, they have 8 boxes of 10 straws, 5 individual straws, and 6 boxes of 100 straws. Using a place value drawing, draw a picture of how many straws McDonald's has at their store. Okay, so let's start with that part of the problem first. Okay, so it says McDonald's they have 8 boxes of 10 straws. So that means there's 10 straws in each of those boxes. So we could draw 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10, which is the number 80. Then it says they have 5 individual straws. So we're going to use our units for that. Okay, there's our 5 individual straws and 6 boxes of 100. So in each of those boxes, there's 100 straws. So we would draw our hundreds. All right, now you'll notice as I was doing the problem, I put them in the correct place that I would find them in the numbers. These went in the ones place, these went in the tens place, these went in the hundreds place. Okay, so this is my place value drawing. How many straws are there? Okay, so we have 5 here, in the ones place. We have 8 here in the tens place. So that's the number 80. And then we have 6 here in the hundreds place, which is the number 600. So there are 685 straws. What if they were only allowed to box them in groups of 10? How many boxes would they have? All right, so now we have to think about the fact that all of these hundreds have to then be boxed into groups of 10, right? So let's review how many tens are in each hundred. So there's 10 tens. Whoop, my pen's not working. 10 tens in each of these, right? Because you have to have 10 tens in order to make 100. So you need 10 of these to make 100. So how many tens would that be then? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So there's 60 tens over here. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So we would have to have 68 boxes of 10. Whoop. And then we would have 5 left over because there's not enough of these ones to make another set of 10. So it says how many would be left over? We would have 5 left over. Okay. You'll also notice that 68 is the number that you get when you look at the hundreds and the tens place. So that's kind of an easier way to look at it and and see if you're correct in your counting. All right, so just remember, this is a place value drawing. Make sure when you're reading the problem that you realize what the tens are and the hundreds, okay? Because then you can make sure to put them in the correct place value or spot. All right, so all right, in Shobi, you will have a worksheet to complete and have a great day. Get some work done today.